All right. Great job once again. Everything's sounding good. So let's move on to the next thing planned for the eighth note, single note picking. Most of this is all in the upstroke or upbeat rhythm written out two different ways. So that's one way. There's the second way. So the only time you pick down is at the beginning of every bar. So gotta be careful that we don't drift into that oncoming down beat. Here we go. 1, 2. Actually, we turn up the metronome a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 60. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try 220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see if you can get to 240 on this as well. If that feels like too much of a struggle, 200 is a good speed to send things in on. Speaking of which, let's do the repeats of 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I think we're good on the eighth note palm mute stuff. You're hitting great speeds, sounds really good. So we're gonna move on to legato with the eighth notes. Start with something a bit complicated for a lot of people when learning this stuff. But let's see what happens here. So we got hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides. So we're only gonna pick twice in all of this. So at the beginning of the first and third bar is the only time we pick. Everything else, hammer-ons, pull-offs, and slides. So when you're doing this, you start that slide, index finger stays down. As you hammer onto the 8 and the 10, you should have all three fingers still down. This way when you pull off, what you pull off to is already down. You got your slide down, back up, hammer on, pull off, fingers are all down, pull off, slide, hammer, hammer. All three fingers down right now. Here comes the next pick stroke. And you pull off, slide, slide back up, hammer on, all three fingers down, pull off. When you do a pull off, you're basically plucking the string. Pluck the string as you pull off. Pluck it with your pull off finger. Not pick it, but pluck it with your pull off hand. So again, pick, pull, slide, slide, hammer, hammer, pull off, slide, hammer, hammer, all three fingers down, pull off, slide, which I just realized I don't have the slide right there. There we go. Okay, here we go with number 2. Big challenge with this stuff is keeping the rhythm correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, the volume might go down a little bit at the slow speeds, especially as you continue on. Not a huge deal. If the sound is completely gone, then that's a problem. But if it kind of goes down a little bit, that's not a big deal. Count to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yep, 240 is a goal for this to send things in early. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is tough. All right. I think that is it. So any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.